Oh, hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Horizon English. I am David.
And I am Alice. Oh, David, I am so sleepy today. I need something.
I know that feeling. Let me guess. You need a coffee?
Oh, wow, yes, a big hot coffee. But I am nervous.
Nervous. Why is that, Alice?
Well, ordering in English is fast. The barista is waiting. It is scary.
Oh, I see. Don't worry. Today we will learn to order coffee like a pro.
Oh, wow, really? That will help me so much. I want to feel confident.
Yes. We will learn simple phrases for every step at the cafe.
That sounds great. Friends at home, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, I am ready for my caffeine. Let's go.
So, Alice, before we go to the cafe, let's talk about one important word.
Let me think. Is it sugar? I love sugar.
Sugar is good, but the word is size.
Oh, size. Like small, medium, or large?
Exactly. In many cafes, they have different names for sizes.
Oh, wow. Like at Starbucks. They say tall for a small coffee, right?
Right. It is a bit strange, but size is the first thing to know.
Ah, I see. Let me practice. What size do you want, David?
I want a large coffee today. I am very tired.
Me too. Let's say the word slowly for everyone.
Size.
Size. Now you try at home. Pause and say it. Size.
Good. Now we are ready to enter the coffee shop.
Oh, I can smell the coffee beans. It smells delicious.
Okay, scenario 1. You walk to the counter. The barista says, "Hi, what can I get you?"
Oh no, my heart is beating fast. What do I say?
Stay calm. Use this phrase, "I'd like a coffee, please."
I'd like a coffee, please. David explains I'd like, please.
It is a polite way to say "I want." Very common in English.
Ah, I see. Let me try. I'd like a coffee, please.
Perfect. You can also add the size, like, "I'd like a medium coffee."
Oh, wow. Let's practice that. I'd like a medium coffee, please.
I'd like a medium coffee, please.
Now you try at home. Imagine you are at the counter. Pause and say it.
Right. Now, sometimes you want a specific type, like a latte.
Oh, I love lattes. They have lots of milk.
Then you can say, "Can I get a latte?"
Can I get a latte? Is can I get polite enough, David?
Yes, in a cafe, it is very natural and friendly.
Ah, I see. Let me try. Can I get a latte?
Perfect. Now you try with a cappuccino.
Okay. Can I get a cappuccino?
Right. Let's say it slowly together. Can I get a latte?
Can I get a latte?
Now you try. Choose your favorite coffee. Pause and say, "Can I get a..." Scenario 2. The barista asks, "Any milk or sugar?"
Yes. I want milk, but not normal milk.
Oh, do you want oat milk or almond milk?
Yes, oat milk. How do I ask for that, David?
Just say, "With oat milk, please."
With oat milk, please. Do I say that at the end?
Yes, like this. "Can I get a latte with oat milk, please?"
Ah, I see. It is like a puzzle. I just add the pieces.
Exactly. Let's practice. Alice, ask for a coffee with sugar.
I'd like a coffee with sugar, please.
Well done. Let's say it slowly. With oat milk, please.
With oat milk, please.
Now you try. If you like sugar or special milk, pause and say, "With, please."
David, what if I want my coffee, very cold?
Oh, then you want an iced coffee.
Iced coffee. Perfect for a hot day. Right?
Right, right. You just say, "Can I get an iced latte?"
Oh, wow, iced latte. Let's say that slowly. Iced latte.
Iced latte.
Now you try at home. If you are hot, say iced latte. Pause and try.
Scenario 3. The barista asks, "Is that for here or to go?"
For here? To go? David, what does to go mean?
It means you want to take the coffee with you outside the shop.
Ah, I see. Like a paper cup.
Exactly. And for here means you sit at a table with a ceramic cup.
Oh, wow. I like sitting in cafes. It is so, relaxing.
So you say, "For here, please."
And if I am in a hurry, I say to go, please, right?
Right, right. Let's practice. Alice, imagine you are going to work.
To go, please. I am late.
Let's say it slowly. To go, please.
To go, please.
Now you try. Imagine you are walking to the park. Pause and say, "To go, please."
David, what if I want to sit and read my book?
Then you say, "For here, please."
Ah, I see. Let's say it slowly. For, here, please.
For here, please.
Now you try at home. Imagine a beautiful cafe. Pause and say, for here, please.
Last scenario. It is time to pay. The barista says the price.
I have my credit card or my phone, right?
Most people pay with cards now. You can say, "Can I pay by card?"
Can I pay by card? Is that a question or a statement?
It is a polite question.
Ah, I see. Let's practice. Can I pay by card?
Yes, the machine is right here.
Oh, wow. And then I have my coffee. What do I say to the barista?
Just say, "Thank you. Have a good one."
Have a good one? What is a one, David? Right?
One means your day. It is a very natural way to say, "Have a good day."
Oh, wow. I hear people say that all the time.
Right, right. It is very friendly. Let's say it slowly together.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Now you try. When you leave the cafe, say, have a good one. Pause and say it.
Perfect. You are a coffee pro now, Alice.
I feel so much better. No more fear.
Okay, now let's practice everything. I will be the barista.
Oh, I am ready. Friends at home, are you ready?
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
What do you say? Let me think. 3, 2, 1.
I'd like a large cappuccino, please.
Excellent. Anything else? Do you want milk?
3, 2, 1.
With oat milk, please.
Right, right. Perfect. Is that for here or to go?
3, 2, 1. To go, please.
Great. That is $5, please.
3, 2, 1.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Here is your coffee.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, wow, Alice, you did it. You are amazing.
Thank you, David. Pause the video and try the whole conversation.
What a great lesson today. I am thirsty for coffee now.
Oh, me too. Let's review our phrases slowly.
To order, slowly, I'd like a coffee, please.
The video, say it at home.
Or, slowly, can I get a latte?
And say it. It's very natural.
For special milk, slowly, with oat milk, please.
And try it with your favorite milk.
To take it away, slowly, to go, please.
And say it out loud.
To pay, slowly, can I pay by card?
And practice.
To say goodbye, slowly, have a good one.
And say it with a smile. Oh, wow, you are great.
I am so happy we did this today. Coffee is a big part of life.
Oh, yes, I feel much more confident now. David?
Yes, Alice?
We have a question for our friends in the comments.
Right, right. Tell us, what is your favorite thing to order at a restaurant or cafe?
Oh, I want to know. David, what is your favorite?
Let me think. Actually, I love a very simple espresso.
Oh, wow. That is too strong for me. I love a sweet mocha.
Everyone is different.
Next time we will learn English at the airport and where is my gate.
Oh, traveling. That is exciting. Don't miss it.
See you next time. Have a good one.
Goodbye. Take care.